Thank you and very good afternoon. It is indeed a great pleasure to be in Beijing among our trusted friends. It is heartening to note that our strategic dialogue today took place almost exactly 1 year after the fourth round in Islamabad on 6th of May 2023. I wish to thank Foreign Minister His Excellency Wang Yi for the warm reception and hospitality accorded to me and my delegation. As one of the world's leading statesmen and a sincere friend of Pakistan, I commend Mr. Wang's vision and valuable contributions to Pakistan-China friendship and regional peace and stability. Earlier today, I also met His Excellency the Executive Vice Premier Ding Shang. We held a productive discussion on wide range of topics on bilateral interest. I also conveyed to Vice Premier cordial greetings from Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. The fifth Pakistan-China strategic dialogue couldn't have occurred at a more opportune moment. It was held soon after democratic political transition, which has taken place in Pakistan, and at a time when important developments are unfolding in world politics that necessitate closer communication between the great friends. Detailed discussions on multiple facets of our bilateral ties, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPAC, and the evolving geopolitical landscape in our region and beyond. We reached consensus on several important matters, which I can say that with great confidence will define the future trajectory of Pakistan-China relations. We agreed to maintain the momentum of high-level exchanges and bilateral consultative mechanisms to further fortify our long-cherished relationship. As all-weather strategic cooperative partners, our two countries will continue to support each other on issues of core interest and concern. We appreciate China's steadfast support for Pakistan's sovereignty, integrity, and right to development. We particularly appreciate China's principled stance on the dispute of Jammu and Kashmir. I briefed His Excellency the Foreign Minister on the threats to regional peace and security that continue to emanate from India's illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir, its unilateral actions and hostile posture. Peace in our region will remain elusive until the historic injustices meted out to the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir are addressed, in line with the wishes of Kashmiri people and the resolution 2728 of the United Nations Security Council. As a strategic partner and trusted friend, Pakistan will continue to support China on all its core issues, including Xinjiang, the South China Sea, Taiwan, and Xizang. Our two sides held detailed discussions on CPAC, which is the flagship project of the Belt and Road Initiative. In the last 10 years, it has transformed Pakistan's economic landscape by eliminating power outages and by developing a robust infrastructure network, thus laying a strong foundation for Pakistan's future development. While expressing satisfaction with the steady pace of CPAC, we agreed to further upgrade and expand this cooperation as per the leadership vision. We will accelerate the implementation of the MLN railway line project, Gwadar Port development, realignment of phase 2 of the Karakum highway, and strengthen cooperation in agriculture, mining, minerals, energy, information technology, and industrial sectors. As we embark on phase 2 of CPAC, we look forward to developing corridors of growth, livelihood, innovation, green development, and inclusivity. To carry forward our shared vision of making CPAC an inclusive and transparent project, we also agreed to finalize the modalities for third-party participation in CPAC. We appreciate China's development assistance to Pakistan and look forward to further enhancing China's development footprint in Pakistan. I briefed His Excellency the Foreign Minister on Pakistan's vision to attract foreign investment in diverse sectors under Special Investment Facilitation Council. I commend China's readiness to deepen our financial, bilateral trade and investment ties. As per our consensus, Karakum Highway is the linchpin of the China-Pakistan geographical connectivity and an important artery of CPAC. We would implement our previous understanding to commence all-weather operations of Punjab-Sust border crossing soon. In our dialogue today, we agreed that a peaceful, stable, united, safe and secure Afghanistan is fundamental for the development, connectivity and prosperity of our region. We are concerned about the continued presence of terrorist entities operating in Afghanistan and call upon the Afghan interim government to take credible and verifiable actions against such elements using Afghan soil to threaten peace and security of the neighboring countries. On behalf of the Pakistani leadership and people, I convey heartfelt condolences on the martyrdom of 5 Chinese and a Pakistani national in the heinous terrorist attack on 26 March 2024 in Shangla. Our thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved families and the Chinese government and its people. Chinese personnel engaged in Pakistan's National Development Program are our guests. We deeply appreciate their sacrifices and will never forget their services to Pakistan. Pakistan remains fully committed to bringing the planners, financiers, and perpetrators of this heinous attack to justice. Our two sides continue to maintain close cooperation through our extensive bilateral channels. I shared with His Excellency the Foreign Minister the extensive and elaborate measures we have taken to protect Chinese interests in Pakistan. While thanking China for acknowledging the sacrifices Pakistan has made against terrorism, let me express our firm resolve that we will not rest until the last vestige of the terrorism is finally eliminated from Pakistan. I am satisfied to note that our two sides have a commonality of views on the challenges and changes sweeping the global geopolitical landscape. We share China's vision for weaning a region away from ideological strife, for just and inclusive economic globalization, and for focusing our energies on the progress and development of our peoples. Pakistan remains opposed to bloc politics or great power contestation, and given the gravity of global challenges confronting humankind, advocates constructive engagement among members of the international community. Next week, Pakistan and China will be celebrating the 73rd anniversary of our ironclad friendship. This unique partnership is a moral force in world affairs and indispensable for the progress and development of our countries. Foreign Minister, Excellency, and I agreed to further enhance people-to-people exchanges between our two countries so that the sacred tale of Pakistan-China friendship may be passed on to our younger generations. In the end, I would once again sincerely thank His Excellency Foreign Minister and the Chinese government for the warm reception and elaborate preparations, cordial discussions and productive outcomes of the 5th strategic dialogue which we held today. I would conclude by expressing my best wishes for the continued prosperity and development of China and growth of our ironclad brotherhood under the leadership of Excellency President Xi. Thank you very much.
नाज़रीन, पाकिस्तान
बीजिंग में पाक चीन के वज़राए ख़ारिजा की मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस जारी थी और ये स्ट्रेटेजिक मुज़ाकरात का 5वां दौर था और पाक चीन के तज़ाविराती मुज़ाकरात 5वें दौर के 1 साल बाद हो रहे हैं। वज़ीर ख़ारिजा इशक़ डार का कहना है कि पाक चीन दोस्ती इलाकाई और आलमी अमन व इस्तेहकाम के लिए ज़रूरी है, जबकि चीनी वज़ीर ख़ारिजा वांग शी का कहना था कि पाक चीन दोस्ती वक्त के साथ मज़ीद मजबूत हो रही है। और वज़ीर ख़ारिजा इशक़ डार ने कहा कि चीन की तरफ से गर्मजोशी पर मबनी इस्तकबाल को सराहता हूँ।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।